Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon again, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we're going to show you a 230 Cruiser 2023. Start up front, you'll see you have nice seating, storage underneath all your seats, more cup holders, more charging ports, very nice storage underneath all these seats. To the port side, you're going to see an entry door, which is plenty wide and open and spacious. You've got two helm chairs in this boat, port to starboard, high back. Here on the dash, you're going to see you got a tilt steering wheel, easy to use operate switches, Simrad GPS depth finder, and you have a JL audio control. You also have a digital throttle and shift on this boat, which is a really nice upgrade. Looking aft, you're going to see we have a rear facing lounger. The seat back moves forward and aft, so you can use it as a lounger or you can face either way. You have another towing point back here in the back. You also have fender storage, port to starboard aft, and a 175 Mercury outboard engine. If you want to see this boat in person, please stop by and see us, MarineMax Lake Norman. Thank you.